Look, friends, this flowing blue veil that wraps around your planet is so thin on a cosmic scale that it seems almost non-existent. But it's this very non-existence that has turned this dead rock into the only known oasis of life in the Milky Way. Today, I invite you to feel the pulse of this miracle. Imagine a grand engineering project with no audience. For billions of years, these cosmic engineers have been quietly transforming hell. They break down the bricks of carbon dioxide and rebuild them into the cornerstone of life, oxygen. With every breath, the oxygen atoms in your lungs might have been part of the end of the dinosaur age. Then, oxygen formed a star shield at high altitudes, the ozone layer. Unfortunately, my records show that in the 20th century, humans used Freon from refrigerators to poke a hole in it. Attention! You are making the atmosphere suffer from hyperthermia. Greenhouse gas concentrations have peaked in 420,000 years, but this is also an era of hope, because you hold the key of purification. Key 1. A forest of windmills stirs the sea of clouds, and solar panels spread across the desert like blue rivers. Key 2. Seedlings break through the soil and grow into giant forests, and the root network lights up the green light that absorbs carbon underground. Key 3. In the sky above the city of the future, transparent tubes will compress captured CO2 into sparkling diamonds. Look, this is the road to redemption you have embarked on. In my timeline, the children call it the Great Dawn of Purification. Now, friends, please raise the spiritual camera in your hearts. When you ride your bike around the street corner, the camera records carbon footprint -1, the impact on the atmosphere is reduced by 0.0001%. When you turn off idle power, the camera captures, the energy ghost retreats, and the power plant spews less black smoke. When you choose local vegetables, camera tracking, food miles are shortened, and the exhaust gases from cold chain trucks disappear. The small green lenses of hundreds of millions of people will eventually be edited into a magnificent civilization epic. The movie title is How Humans Fix the Sky. In my future archives, there's a very precious image. Your choices right now are closely linked to our future existence through the particles in the atmosphere. Tomorrow, at the same time and space coordinates, I will return with the Heart of the Ocean file. I hope the Earth in your lenses is always blue. Note to the audience, the 20 breaths you just took are equivalent to the gift of a large tree today. Protecting them is protecting the future. End of ozone layer leaves falling. In the next episode, we will tell another exciting true story. Ozone hole, the star's healed scar. You are welcome to follow our channel, subscribe to mine, like, and share with your good friends. Before you leave, look, an ozone layer leaf gently falls from the sky. A faceless child of the future reaches out, and the leaf transforms into blue light, rising to repair the ozone layer's crack. People in the future will surely thank you. Until next time, bless you every day. Note to the audience, the 20 breaths you just took are equivalent to the gift of a large tree today. Protecting them is protecting the future.